Hi friends, welcome to Techie Studies and Azure DevOps series. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to create Azure Data Factory. So Data Factory provides a data integration and a transformation layer that works across your digital transformation initiatives and integrators and data engineers to drive business and IT lead analytics and BI. So prepare data to construct, extract, transform, load and extract, load, transform processes and orchestrate the pipelines and monitor the pipelines and code free. So this is about Azure Data Factory. So we are going to create one more data factory to use in our CI/CD process. So let's create data factory, one more data factory. Okay. So data factories create resource group. We can use same one which we have earlier. ADF underscore contain only letter. So ADF techie study. Okay, go ahead next. And configuration is not required. Let's check it. Networking is public. That is fine. Advanced, nothing. Tags we can as a name. Let's call it as a prod data factory. Review and create. It will check the final validations and then it will create the data factory. Now we have two data factories. One more is doing deployment. So by using these two data factories, our data factory is tech studies demo is the development data factory. So production data factory we are considering as ADF tech study is the um, development this one. So ADF tech study we will consider as a production data factory. So this is about how to create Azure Data Factory. So coming sessions, we will go through the CI/CD process from development data factory to production data factory. Thank you so much. So I guess if you are watching first to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends and do the comment, like, share. Thank you so much.